give any type of examination or exams, and we can't achieve good marks, our motivation level become decrease and decrease and decrease.
The person can do anything in our life, but in today's generation when someone sit up to do study, so they open the mobile and they scrolling the reels also and they writing. So how can he get and achieve the good marks in the high level of competition? Competition is bad for us.
Because I say that it give depression, anxiety, it's give a fight and competition, like two students are topper in the class. Hello everyone, this is Divya Yadav, and as we all know, today's topic is competition is good or bad for students. We are favoring it is bad, and because it's give anxiety and depression to the students.
Good morning everyone, I am Akshat and today's our topic is competition good or bad for students. So I am in the favor of good, because when we give the competition, so then we see the levels of us, how our possibility is due to big things in life or not. Thank you.
Go for competition, and we give any type of examination or exams, and we can't achieve good marks, our motivation level become decrease and decrease and decrease. It give the student anxiety, depression, lots of stress and health issues. What
But
about
when
that?
you give the competition in your life at the first time, so it's your first time, you can't get more marks, but if you want to try, so you get it, because in life no one success at the first time.
But today's generation, we all see that in quotas students and NEET preparation, NEET aspirants, JEE students, IIT students, lots of students, there is lot of competition. So what about these students? We see lots of news was coming here, will coming here, and we saw that situation. Lots of students become suicide. What about that?
About the life of a people, the person can do anything in our life, but in today's generation when someone sit up to do study, so they open the mobile and they scrolling the reels also and they writing. So how can he get and achieve the good marks in the high level of competition? As you see that the toppers, so he don't touch their mobiles, he also only on the time and get sit up, and till now when the course is not completed for a whole syllabus, so then they.
Do you know a competition gives a fight in a
Yes.
society? It encourages the fights in society.
See that after completing your school, so you want to become any, so kuch banna, to become something in life, so you give a competition to see that in yourself what I can do from 1 to 12 and what I want to achieve. So firstly you give and enter into the competition, and then you show your own level ki you are possible to do or not.
But if someone's give the examination or can't achieve their goals, what about those people?
Their goal, because they
बोलो इसको, देखो कुछ.
not try, they not give their 100%, as I see sort, as I tell after that.
A competition give when a person going for the competition only focus on for competition or winning, not focus over of learning. What about learning? If you are going for a competition, you give any type of exam, any kind of exam, you only want to win, you only want to achieve. What about learning?
You see that if you give any higher level of competition, there is so much competition, but in the competition there are three types of person. First, the person who never learn, and second, they only learn it, not understand the concept, and the first one is they prepare the both, they understand the concept and do also practice about it, that they achieve it. It is not easy you sit between the 15 lakh students and achieve your goals.
Today's era, that lots of students become suicide. That was the main cause. Competition.
Because as the name of study, he can't do study, he wandering with their friends also. So when they splurging money of their parents, and when we saw the face of the parents, so he also feels guilty, he can't do study of whole years, and at the last time he go into the anxiety. That is the reason they suicide.
Competition also create fight at see that we are fighting for this competition, that there is a competition of debate, like we are fighting. If there is no kind of competition, there is no kind of debate, there is
But
no
in
kind of
this
fight.
competition, we that how you want to represent yourself in English language, because it is not easy to speak in English to anyone. But if we can try it, so we get it.
As you say that the person who are wondering and can't study, according to you, what is important, a life, a competition?
Important if you want to achieve in your life, so you do struggle, because it is not easy to anyone.
Today's era, no one want to struggle, everyone want to their comfort zone.
So if you live in your comfort zone, so how can you achieve the higher
That
level
was the
of
that was the topic, na, that there is no kind of competition, everyone achieve some things without any competition, without any examination, for only marks or only on qualification level. That's it. There is no kind of competition, there is no kind of pressure, no one commits suicide, everything is okay.
as we see
In
that
comp-
as we see
Okay.
that the person who is not more educated, so he goes into the poverty line also.
Education is other thing for competition, that is there is a competition, you go for education, you get education, best or best education for abroad universities and at all. But there is competition, competition is a waste of time, competition is a waste of money also. Like poor people, how to go for competition if they have no mobile phone, if they have no supportive things, they have no material, study materials. The villagers, like you say that how the poor people how to achieve their goals.
You
If
saw
there is
the-
no competition, there is nothing to do. So the people with their comfortable zone, he go for study, he went for study and achieve their knowledge and at all.
Competition is bad for us.
Because I say that it give depression, anxiety, it's give a fight and competition. Like two students are topper in the class, they both have proper knowledge, but they have fight because they both are sitting in a competition. They are good friends, but after they are fight because for competition.
But-
Competition gives fight for society, and it's very very
Interesting,
uh,
yes.
So far as I think you are also preparing for a competition. Yes or not?
That's the problem in today's that's right, yeah, this is not the topic. What about me, as we all know, after the debate I conclude the topic with my conclusion. According to me, both are important. Sometimes competition is bad, but sometimes it's good. Competition give us opportunity to improve ourselves and showing ourselves, our personality, and achieve the goals. And it's bad for sometimes if the person getting lots of stress for the competition and getting become depressed. So that was bad.